AI to replace friendship that's too much for me. That's too much for me. Hear me out. If I have someone send me a video of somebody dyeing their hair, like just some random video of some random person dyeing their hair, I do not need TikTok AI to analyze the video and come up with things that you think I will say in response. That's crazy. Like the fact that some AI algorithm knows that this video was sent to me. I have friends. And then you know it's a video about hair dye, so you're suggesting I say, wow, amazing, or I love the transformation. We're just gonna end up being computers talking to each other. There's gonna be no friendship, no love, no nothing. There's gonna be nothing. It's gonna be robots sending each other videos, and then robot responses to the robot sends. That's unacceptable. Guys, that's crazy. AI is a very important tool in my opinion. As a teacher, I think we're going about AI all wrong. I think that we should be teaching kids how to use AI to a benefit, to replace basically laborious tasks that are not needed. AI is a perfect tool for research. Google is amazing, but AI is another really, it's a better Google. Sorry, Google, you're still good for some stuff. But we do not need AI to replace how we respond to friends. Hope this helps.